Hi, good evening. This is Mira from CZ Makers and again on a live for all of you with really some gorgeous new arrivals. So first of all, welcome to everyone and happy winter. This is the winter season in India. So you can see me, I'm wearing some warm clothes, but jewelry is always, you make you gorgeous. So I'm also wearing a very classy earring, and today I'm going to show you the new arrivals. Okay, so join me as soon as possible and keep making joining your friends and family members too. See this one, the new arrival. You can see the 3D shape of this set. Hope my video is properly clear and I am also audible to all of you. Yeah, this is the full set. It's a full set. Okay, and you can see some beautiful earrings also with it. Okay, so this set is a full set and available in all tones. This is not available in colors, tones. Full gold, two-tone, and this is a full silver. Correct? The price is almost approx $80. Okay, yeah, there is discounts on each and every volume. Whatever the volume you are having, you need to talk with us and we'll let you know the discounts and what the discount you are going to get, the final prices and all. We are dealing in bulk only, so please, those who are having the requirement for business, it's the gold color and this is the two-tone. Business inquiries are most welcome. Kindly share your WhatsApp number or you can directly contact us to our WhatsApp number. Okay, so going to the next one. Very classy, really is very pretty. It's a round shaped necklace. It's a full set, you know. It's a very pretty, delicate set. This is having earring, pretty earring, and this is having a finger ring and bracelet also. Okay, so this particular set is a full set, pretty, delicate, classic set. And it is, you know, our prices are depends on your order volume. So those who are having any requirement, anything wants to know, please contact us on our WhatsApp number. You can directly contact us through our WhatsApp number that is displayed on the description section. This is the full gold of the set and full silver also available. Now the one which is very demanded always, this one again, this is arrived in stock. Okay, few people are having a great demand for this. It's really moving so well. Very fast moving set, one of our very fast moving set, you can say. This earring with it, and this is also available in all different colors. Here you can see the full, it is a silver and green combination. You can get all different colors from pink to red, blue, whatever the colors you want. Full silver, full gold, every color options are there because it's arrived, just arrived in stock. So we are having all the color options. I am showing you the color options too. Okay. See this one with blue stones, full gold. The other color options, please. Very pretty, the ruby color, champagne color, always preferable champagne. Yeah, full gold is there, two-tone is there, and the best, you know, the full silver is also in stock. all different colors you can get here. So those who are planning to start their business, and this is the season, the Christmas time, the New Year time, the market is ready for your stuff, for your jewelry. So you can introduce these jewelries in this auspicious function, or whatever the function you are having in 25th. So let the end of this year beautiful. I know this year was a tragic, everybody's having issues with COVID and all, but let the end beautiful, right? So if there is any plans to start your own business, we, the manufacturer of zircon jewelry, we season makers, are going to give you the best ever jewelries, handcrafted cubic zirconia jewelry to your doorsteps. You need to contact us. We are going to give you the best jewelry, best designs, best rates. Hello, yeah, sure. My WhatsApp number link is given on the description section, Pavi. And Paviji, from where are you from? And you can directly contact, click on the link, and you can get my WhatsApp number. Or else you can share your number, or let me tell you my number. It is 9933166900, and please +91 you need to add before the number. Check this one. Check this one with a beautiful color stones, very delicate and smooth, and easy, flexible set. Very classy, very lightweighted, and the color options are there. Of course, you can get all color options. See, this is the back of the jewelry, well finished. Our jewelries, we are very much concerned for quality and finishing, polishing, plating, everything. It is our main concern as exporters. We need to take care for these things, because we are sending our jewelries to worldwide. So this is very, very important to give our customers the best thing. Those who are looking for the quality jewelry and a very the suppliers who can give you the best support, then yeah, we can be the best solution for you. You need to communicate with us. Just click on the WhatsApp link number. Any inquiries, we are going to give you all the answers. Can I give the color options of that set? Let me show you some that set. Just I show you the green one. It's having some beautiful colors. Told you the colors are available. So you can see the colors here. Two-tone with red, two-tone with blue, the classic and beautiful pink. Yeah, baby pink color. Okay. So color options are always with us. Tones option means it's a rhodium plating, or it's a gold plating, or it's a two-tone mix of rhodium and gold. Everything is available. Yeah. So moving to... Okay, you are from Nepal and you are living in Turkey. Fine, Paviji. What you do? Just click on the WhatsApp link, or you just send me a message to my messenger, your WhatsApp number. Just after this live, we'll contact you. We'll talk about where you want to sell and how do you like to start. What you are doing, wholesale or retail. Just let me know some thing about your start, and then we will proceed. Okay. So see this one. Check this design, please. Those who are with me, just try to give some reactions and comments, please, about the jewelry. How is this design, please? This is also dropping. These are very pretty, not stiff, little bit flexible. Here you can see these are flexible, very decent, classy. This bracelet is chain type. So that flexible, adjustable. This is a finger ring. Finger rings are also adjustable. See the back. See the back. It's adjustable. And this is the set. This is the earring. For the set, you are going to get the chain for the back. I'm sure you are really like the design. Am I right? If you are looking for really classy jewelries, exclusive designs, really superb quality, then this is the solution for you. You can contact us as early as possible, so you are not going to lose this festive season, this Christmas season, this New Year season. And yeah, some really good offers are going on for this Christmas and New Year, so grab the superb offers also. Okay, moving to the next one. This is somehow a flat necklace. Some star shapes or flower shapes you can see here. It's a full rhodium set. This is the back. Okay. This is the front with full white stones. Earring. I'm wearing a earring. You can, this is a single earring. This is not a set. So some people who are looking for single earrings, yes, we have a lot. This is a single finger ring, not a set. If you are looking for some single finger rings, single bangles like this, okay, so you can get everything, because everything have a market. People are looking for single earrings, single finger rings also, or bracelets also, single bangles also. So yes, you can get everything from here. We have full sets, we have single bangles, finger rings, earrings, everything with us. So it's a hub of zircon jewelry. We have everything in zirconia. Even if those who are Indian people, or those who are asking for some traditional type, we have mantikas, we have waistbands, everything. Okay, crowns, even we have crowns too. So these are the accessories we have. We have full sets and these single ones too. Those who are watching with me, thank you so much for being with me. I am looking for some likes and comments, please. This is one more set. Try to share the live also with your friends and family people, so that if they having any requirement for this kind of jewelry for their business, they can contact us, right? Check this one. Check this amazing small stone work jewelry. It's a full small stone work all over the jewelry. Even the back, see the back please. This is just like, it's not a chain, it's like a bracelet, you know, the bracelet back, it's like that. You can just like that, it's locked. It's too classy. And this is the bracelet chain. We are using chains mostly. It is very good for adjustment for your size. Having earrings and finger rings, full set. As I told you that we have color options. Here you can see the pretty drop pins are with different colors. I show you the ruby. This is blue, this is green, correct? Two-tone, full gold, silver. Thank you, Ayani. Thank you so much. You people's appreciation means us a lot, because it's quite a heritage of making this kind of jewelry. It's really an art. Making scissor jewelry is not not really so easy job. You know, there are lots of things behind it. It's just a process like diamond jewelry, just same process of making diamond jewelry. The same process here we have to follow to making CZ jewelry also. In a diamond jewelry, you are getting real diamond stones, and the base is gold. And this jewelry this is real zircon stones, triple A star cut stones, and the base is brass. The base is with brass. The toes, the jewelry, this plating is with rhodium. For the silver color, this is full 24 karat rhodium. For gold color, 24 karat gold. So the process is almost same with the like a diamond jewelry. and we try to give the fantastic look and real look like diamond for each and every design. And having this much stock, like stock of more than 9,000 10,000 designs, is really not a very small thing. We are having that much stock and we are really happy and proud for that. And our craftsmen, they are just magician, regularly giving us, producing this kind of jewelry, and which increases our business, your business, everything. So this is one more design. This is also a full set, okay, and having color options. Let me show you the color options very quickly so that I can show you some more sets. This is gold, this is two-tone. Okay, full of stock and full of good surprise deals, offers are waiting for you, because this is a Christmas time. We are giving some really good offers because we want to make this year end very, very happy. With us, you can grow your business. With us, you can be our partner, just like partner. We are the factory, we are the manufacturing hub, and you can be our wholesaler, retailer. So communicate with us. We want to support you. See this one, how is this? This is back in stock. Huge demand. Thank you so much, Nosa. Dinah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Smita, for appreciating the jewelry. These are the earrings and all. And let me show you the beautiful color options. This pretty design is available in many colors. This is the multicolor. I hope it's clear. Now, the flowers are in different colors. Let me show you. See, the flowers are with red. Here the flowers are with two-tone. Okay, I think it's not so clear, but want to show you all. Wow. Okay, I'm moving to the next one. It's very, very pretty. Last year this time it was arrived, and again it's having a demand. The star. Don't you think this set, it can be the best set for your Christmas, your gift for Christmas, or the presentation of your shop? You can show this to your customers or the people who are buying. Okay, Paviji, I'll send you my WhatsApp number after this live. I'll just keep sending. Okay, see this one. This is arrived again. How is this? A star-shaped necklace. Very, very new arrival. Okay, just arrived. Maybe yesterday, na? Yes. Yeah, it's arrived yesterday. I'm showing you. It's not yet uploaded to the website. Check the earring. It's too long, but lighter than this. Okay, this is a bit gorgeous, and this is lighter. So this is the look of the set. Let me show you again. Check this one. How pretty is this? This is the earring. This is the set. And even you can wear the earring without set also. If you want somehow that you want to wear the earring only, yes, you can. Check this one. This is available in full gold, full silver, and this is the two-tone I'm showing. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, so this is the full silver and this is the full gold. One more design I'm going to show you on this live. Almost this is the third repetition order within the last November. It was arrived, and within this few weeks, third repetition order of this. Check this side. Check this side, the curviness here, here and here also. And this is the look of this set. It's having earring. Of course, this is having earring, and also available in stone, different stone colors. Really, you can get the best jewelry, best options best variety from us. No one can give you this variety what we have with us, with durable quality and best prices. Okay, color options are there. Sorry. This is the emerald green, and this is the full gold. So for today I'm going to close this live session. We'll come again with some more pretty designs, because I am having, actually we really we need to again communicate with our customers, right? This is a US time, so see you soon. Those who are having the business requirement, my WhatsApp number link is over there, and I'm going to send you the WhatsApp number again. Try to communicate with us. We have the best jewelry with us, imitation jewelry, cubic zircon jewelries. So thank you so much for be with me. Have a nice day. Good night.